Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ratna. Hope you are all doing good. St. Patrick's Day is coming up. The Irish festival remembering St. Patrick, who ministered Christianity in Ireland. On this occasion, let's make Irish mint brownies. To a bowl, we will first add half cup butter and 1/4 cup chocolate chips and melt them until smooth. Once cooled down, we will add 2 eggs. Instead of eggs, we can add mashed banana about 2 inches long and add half cup water. And then we need to add 1 cup sugar and mix it well. Finally, we will add 3/4 cup whole wheat flour and blend it well. Now, we need to get an 8-inch square pan lined with aluminum foil and grease it. After that, we can pour the batter and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the dough leaves the sides. For stove top cooking, we need to take a non-stick pan and layer it with salt about 1/2 inch high. After that, we can place the square pan, cover it and bake it on low flame for 45 minutes or until the dough leaves the sides. Now for the frosting, we need to melt half cup butter, and to this we will add half teaspoon peppermint extract and 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup at a time, and mixing it intermittently. After that, we need to add 3 tablespoons heavy whipping cream and mix it well. And finally, we will add 2 drops of green food color and mix well. We can spread the frosting after the brownie cools off. After this, we can melt 1/4 cup chocolate and drizzle on top of the frosting. We can cut them into squares. It is very fudgy and delicious, and I hope you'll try it. That's all in today's segment. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel notifications, press the bell icon. If you're already my subscriber, then thank you so much for your subscription. See you again in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.